Hello friends, today we're out at the garden. We're going to do our best method for composting Mother Nature's way. First off, what you want to do is you don't want to overcomplicate this. You don't want to be like the YouTube composting gurus. 50% brown, 30% green, water it, turn the pile, do all that stuff. It's unnecessary. If you just have an in-ground garden, it's just as simple as taking your weeds and just chop them and just let them drop. It's what nature does when trees fall. It's what farmers do when they cut down their crops. They just till them back into the soil. Just drop them right where they are. If you have a raised bed, you can do the same thing. You can chop it, drop it right in place. No big deal. And if you want, you can dig a trench in the raised bed and just bury them. And then just throw some dirt over top of it. And you'll be ready to plant it next year. We grow in grow bags here. So our method of doing this is we just chop everything down, and we have some extra grow bags that we didn't get to yet that we'll fill up for next year. And what we'll do is we'll just take our scraps and we'll just stuff them right in the grow bag. And then we'll throw some soil right on top of that, and that'll be ready to plant in next year. And that will save us on having to replant the soil. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe. And if you want to see how our potatoes did, watch this video right here.